Eternal Hospital, a unit of Eternal Heart Care Center and Research Institute, has always set benchmarks in patient care, clinical research protocols, and healthcare delivery systems. Eternal Hospital has emerged as the most preferred multi-speciality hospital of Rajasthan with 250 bed capacity. This landmark healthcare institute is the result of the vision of Mrs. Manju Sharma and Dr Samin K. Sharma, world-renowned interventional cardiologist based at Mount Sinai Hospital, New York, USA. It is the only hospital in Rajasthan with JCI, Joint Commission International Accreditation, for world-class patient care and maintaining the highest standards in the healthcare delivery system. Eternal Hospital has a knowledge-sharing arrangement with Mount Sinai Hospital, New York, USA. Today, accessing care through a digital route has become more accepted practice for both patients and providers. And Eternal Hospital always looks for the transformation in its services. And one such significant transformation is the use of digital technology, that is BestDoc Concierge.
It will not be an exaggeration if I say that a multi-speciality hospital like ours thrives on patient satisfaction. We have made a lot of efforts to satisfy our patients, apart from the clinical services that our doctors have to offer. BestDoc has really helped us in streamlining our non-clinical services. And we are proud to say that we have been able to improve our patient satisfaction by a lot. There is still a lot more to be explored, and we'll keep doing that. Thank you, BestDoc, for all your efforts.
BestDoc Concierge is a simple and user-friendly command center for inpatient support requests. It's a paperless solution that leverages data and technology to help hospitals provide a distinctive patient experience. And it eases the workload of nurses and administrators, allowing them to focus more on patient-centric work. Let's understand, how does BestDoc Concierge work? F&B department will receive a notification as soon as you press the button, and our staff will make every effort to provide you with hygienic and delicious food ASAP.
I am Navneet Sharma. I am taking care of food and beverages services. We always trying to give best food services to our patient, client and staff, those away from home.
Once you are done with the food and you feel like the room needs a little cleaning, just scan the QR once again and put in your request for the housekeeping. Our cleaning staff will come within seconds. You can also leave feedback for your request or reopen it if you are not satisfied with the closure.
I'm Amit Singh. I'm taking care of housekeeping department. Due to BestDoc services, our both internal and external customer are very happy and satisfied.
Later, if you find the TV in your room has suddenly stopped working, you just scan the code and put your request to the engineering department to get the issue resolved.
BestDoc Concierge is a request management solution which brings in operational efficiency and enhances patient experience at Eternal Hospital.
With BestDoc Concierge, hospital leaders can get intelligent insights on the performance of various departments. BestDoc Concierge is also useful for ordering services by staff and hospital leaders. Eternal Hospital. Motto is, where good care leads, good health follows.